Awesome, I have a range to myself. Good shit right there. Well, something else I found out. Even though there's only 18 slots, only 18 holes on the back of this, these mags actually hold 20. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 'Well, okay. I lost count. Get the other one loaded up. Son of a bitch. That hold 20 rounds. Last 10 rounds out of that box I just loaded up for the Ruger. Well, let's go ahead and reset target here. Try to do some let's see if I can get some accuracy. Accuracy, yeah. That's what we're bringing the target back from downrange. Y'all notice I'm not doing near as much cussing about this gun as I did on the review from the other day. I like the gun a lot better now that I found ammo that it likes. To 7 yards, I guess. A little adjustment here at the camera. I'll turn around so that you can make fun of my lack of hitting shit. Oh. There we go. Alright, here we go. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Run that next mag through. Let's go. When I slowed it down and really started concentrating, my grip got a lot tighter. Got a lot tighter. So oh, hey, Scrap. Good seeing you, buddy. I got 10 rounds. I'm gonna run through the Ruger here. I really do not like the slide release on this thing. Well, hey guys, thanks for hanging out at the range with me. I've got about, I'm not sure how much time I got left, but you probably don't want to spend that time watching me reload mags, because that's what it's going to be, because I am going to